Welcome to this video tutorial on how to enter mixed numbers in the TI30XS Multiview Calculator. You should already know how to enter fractions in the calculator before you try entering mixed numbers. If you don't know how to enter a fraction, check out my fractions video. Okay, let's get started. Entering a fraction is the primary function of the button n over d. Written above the fraction button is a secondary function that we will use to enter a mixed number. The symbol for a mixed number is a u written in front of the fraction symbol n over d. The u stands for the unit or the whole number part of the mixed number. To enter the mixed number 5 1/2, we must first select the second button. The second button is located in the first row of buttons on the far left under the main window. Now select the fraction key n over d. The calculator will prompt you to enter all three parts of the mixed number. Enter 5 as the whole number. Use the right arrow on the directional pad to move the cursor to the numerator of the fraction. Now enter 1. Use the down arrow on the directional pad to move the cursor to the denominator. Enter 2. Use the right arrow key to move the cursor to the right side of the mixed number. So you have now entered the mixed number in the calculator. If you select the Enter button, the calculator will change the mixed number into an improper fraction. For this problem, the calculator displays the answer 11 over 2 in the window to the right of the problem. The mixed number 5 1/2 is equivalent to the improper fraction 11 over 2. All right, let's clear the calculator window. Here is a second method for entering mixed numbers. Let's enter 5 1/2 again, but this time, instead of immediately selecting the second button to access the mixed number operation, let's enter the whole number 5 first. Unfortunately, we can't just select the fraction key. If we do, notice that the calculator assumes that we want 5 to be the numerator of this fraction, and that's not what we want. So let's select Clear again. Enter 5. Now select the second button and then the fraction button. Notice that the calculator has attached a fraction to the whole number 5, making this a mixed number. By selecting the second key, you are telling the calculator that you don't want to use the primary function printed on the button itself, but instead you want to use the secondary function that was written above it. So the calculator now understands that 5 is not part of the fraction, but the whole number part of a mixed number, and will prompt you to enter the fractional part 1 over 2. Let's go ahead and do that. And just like last time, we moved our cursor to the right side of the mixed number, and if we hit enter, we get the improper fraction 11 over 2. Let's go ahead and clear the screen one last time. I really like using the second method to enter mixed numbers. It's especially helpful when we enter negative numbers. So let's try one last problem. Let's enter the mixed number -2 1/4. I'm going to start out by selecting the negative sign. The negative sign is to the left side of the Enter button in the very last row of buttons. And then we're going to go ahead and enter 2. So now we have a -2 displayed on the Windows screen. Let's select second and then the fraction button, and the calculator has now attached a fraction to the unit -2. Type in 1, use your down arrow to get to the denominator, enter 4, move your cursor to the right side using the right arrow key, and then select enter. -2 1/4 is equivalent to the improper fraction -9 over 4. I hope this video helped. More videos will soon be available that explain how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide mixed numbers. I hope you'll check them out. Thanks for watching.